Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for stopping by in another fun planner video. Today's video we're going to do a meal planning plan with me. I have my Happy Planner Skinny Classic or half sheet note for taking grocery lists. So if you guys want to check out this video, then keep on watching. So welcome back friends. Again, this is a half sheet that I do like a lot of my rough draft meal planning, recipes, and grocery list, but now that I have this Erin Condren, I'm kind of playing with it and getting used to just filling it in with the layouts. So I'm just going to flip through this for you guys. So this is the Petite Planner by Erin Condren. It's the meal planner, and I'm just going to share some after the pens of what I did: breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then I can add boxes. On the other side is my shopping list and a meal strategy. And here is another week that I did. At the bottom, I put like quick dinners. If I have a parent meeting or something, I just put a note to myself roughly what I need to make. Makes it a lot easier. So here I mess up. I noticed that I didn't pick a page right after that following week. So I am planning Thanksgiving week in the middle of this Petite Planner. Yes. Laughing at myself for that. I just now noticed that. But here I'm going to share with you guys some stickers that I've recently hauled on my channel, and I've kind of picked some stickers that I think that will go with this Petite Planner or the meal system. And I also have some wellness, so hopefully I can do a wellness plan with me soon. So I'm just picking out some Thanksgiving related ones. And then I'm going to put this back into my little pocket there. So I'm new to the Erin Condren Petite system. And yep, just playing around with it. Adding these stickers and all these pockets is really nice. A lot of these are kind of like samples or freebies when I do orders. But I'm also sharing in the back that there's an extra pocket here that I put a lot of my Etsy kits in. And I'm just looking through these to see which ones that I want to use. A lot of meal prepping ones, a lot of everyday household related stickers, some decorative ones. Again, if you guys have been watching my channel, you've seen me haul some of these. So I just put that, I actually added those here for an easy access because I didn't have to go through all my stickers. I have lots of stickers. So also you can take this planning pack and stash some more stickers. So I'm just going to go through here and see if there's anything that I could use. I just got those. Those are super cute. There are stickers in the greeting section or card section at your grocery store. So I need to date my weeks because it's undated. And I have my cute little, it's either Molong or Mulang. I don't know. It's really cute stickers. I love them. They're like bunnies, little chubby bunnies. So I'm just trying to see what stickers I could use. And I just put them back in here, and it just gives me extra storage space for stickers. And then it just slides right there. And I thought, you know what, maybe I could put this Shine Sticker Studio wellness or fitness sticker book here in the back side. It has a little pocket, so it lays flat there, and it's perfect. Okay, so we're gonna plan. And sorry that I'm doing a voiceover. I have company over, and it's hard to get a quiet space. But I definitely wanted to try this plan with me out. So again, these are undated, so I'm going to take these extra date stickers that I've gotten from Happy Planner. They've lasted forever. And I can't believe that I started planning in the middle of this planner instead of the week after. So I have a whole Thanksgiving spread in the middle of this planner. Okay, so I have the Fern Creek stickers, but I'm kind of just going through these real quick, and I decided that I'm going to use some washi. So I'm kind of surprised on how much I can decorate in this layout, in this Petite Planner. So this is my washi stash, and I'm just looking for some fall autumn colors and that will fit in this layout. So I got this one. It's really cute. It says Gobble Gobble. I think I got this from Creative Faith Co. from Hillary. She's also here on YouTube and Instagram if you guys want to check her out. She has great faith content, but I think we did a swap and I got that from her. This one's cute. It's got acorns. It's from Michael's, I believe. Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Okay, I really like how that looks. So let's take some of these deco stickers and see if we can decorate the right side of this planner. It's got shopping list and meal prep strategy. So again, with the meal prep strategy, I kind of want to mention this as I'm decorating. I use it for like if I have a new recipe that I want to try out, or if I'm having a busy week and I need like quick and easy dinners. I'll put a side note saying, hey, these 2 nights I'm not gonna have any time to do dinner, so I need something quick, like in the oven or crock pot. I love doing crock pot meals. It's so easy. Or maybe you could use the strategy of, hey, I need to not drink so much sodas this week and drink more water, or hey, I need to eat more greens this week, or fruits, or whatever the case may be. You can use that small portion there. Or if you feel like you don't have a long enough shopping list, like I felt like this week, you could have totally just take some white out, wipe that over, and just stretch your shopping list out down there. So I have these Lexington Flair stickers. I think I shared this with you guys, and they fit perfect at the top with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So with the Fern Creek stickers, I'm glad I just got a little bit. When you guys checked out that haul, those boxes actually fit on the left side where breakfast, lunch, and dinner is on it. You'll see in a moment, but I'm kind of going through these stickers to see what I can use. So again, I have Fern Creek, these little silverware stickers that I think those were a freebie actually, and those were a freebie, the little post-its. So I'm thinking I want to use those to divide my shopping list so I can get everything that I need this week and not forget anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to title each little section: main course, sides, desserts. And I don't have any space for like appetizers, but again, I'll use my dashboard layout and my big happy planner to write out those extra things that I need to get. Super cute. So now I'm looking at this other sample I think she gave me just to put some extras in there. I think that sticker says to do, and I'm just adding it. There's a little planner that was on her doodles stickers. It's so cute. And then I thought I could cover up shopping lists, but that's just not going to fit. So I put that back, but I really like these. Those were a little cute sample. Again, those were from Fern Creek Stickers on Etsy. This is from Pink Leaf Prints. You guys saw me haul a bunch of Halloween stickers from her. I really like the buffalo checkered bow, so I added it to the pumpkin. I'm going to put meal prep to the side, and because I'm using Fern Creek stickers, I'm going to put these stickers to the side. But I was looking at that bow, I was like, I really like that. I wish I had 2. So I'm actually going to swap these 2 stickers because I just really like the bow. So I put those stickers to the side because I'm not going to use those. And I kind of play with this center section and I try to get it to stick, but the stickers kept popping up. So eventually I'm going to move them over. Yeah, I tried to like use my tool here to press them down a little bit. It gets out air bubbles and such, but they just were not staying. These stickers are really great. They're removable. The Fern Creek stickers. I think she is an Erin Condren Etsy shop owner, and you should definitely check it out if you're getting into Erin Condren, or if you just want some smaller stickers, I guess. Minimal white space I've noticed too. So I'm just adding some other deco, and I'm gonna use Mulang, I'm sorry, and add that there. So I'm sharing, you know, after the pen stuff and my ideas for my shopping list and meal prep strategy. Quick and easy dinners this week, because I'm going to focus on prepping for Thanksgiving, and I'm going to clean out the fridge, make some space for my sides or anything that I have to prep before, because my fridge is tiny. And then I made anything that I have to prep, I'm going to check off at the bottom, like my turkey, my sides, the pies. So now what I'm going to do over here is an idea if you don't want to write out your full week of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For breakfast and lunch, what you can do is just have a run-on list of things you know you have on hand. That way it gives you an idea if someone, you know, in your family is at home, of course, for the holidays, and they ask you, you know, what's for breakfast, what's for lunch. You can say, well, these are your options. So you kind of have it as like a run-on list of ideas of what you can eat for breakfast and lunch. So that's what the arrow's kind of indicating, in case we, you know, don't have exactly what we're having on that day. You know what I mean? And now what's fun is you can add boxes, sticker boxes, to these little sections. But I realize I only got 6. I'm not sure why she only gave me 6 instead of 7. So I'm like counting, I'm like, oh, okay, I have to figure out something for Saturday, which this week, how it's laid out, is kind of tricky for me. It starts on a Sunday and ends on a Saturday. I kind of don't like that. I'd rather it start on Monday through Sunday. So it kind of confuses me when I go on to the next week, that I'm still on Sunday from that week. If that makes any sense. So I thought I'm gonna add my cute little Mulang. I don't know if you guys are aware of these stickers, let me know the pronunciation. But just fussy cutting it out. They're like clear stickers. Yeah, super translucent. They're just like on a where you just cut them out. Okay, so I'm adding, I was thinking, should I add, I'm not someone who adds the same sticker on each section if it's the same thing. Hopefully that makes sense. And I was just trying to think if I could spread it out, because I don't know, I think that's a lot to use the same sticker. Like the fork sticker, I would need so many for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I just skip out on it, and I'm gonna put them all the way across. But definitely check out a after the pen look on my Instagram. I will have more there. But this is how it's turning so far. So that's what I did at the bottom there, because I didn't have an extra box. Yeah, so I'm just explaining here that you could just do a run-on list of things you have on hand for breakfast and lunch. So used all those stickers, and I'm just gonna share that some of the things that I've used. So again, the washi. So you can do a lot with this spread, surprisingly. So I love that cute acorn washi. Again, all these were from Fern Creek Stickers on Etsy. Of course, I'll put it in the description box. And then I have my mild liners, which I really like. Always use those. Those are all of my functional stickers. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. And have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye.